Welcome to the pre-market report of 15/12/2021. Before going to the pre-market report, let us explain how I took the trade yesterday. Before that, I will explain about my chart. I am using TradingView. This is Nifty 5 minutes time frame. My first indicator is CPR, which contains central pivot, top CPR and bottom CPR, as well as R1, R2 and S1, S2 previous day high and low. My second indicator is 8 moving average, and third indicator is 20 moving average, which was in green. 8 moving average is in blue. My fourth indicator is 50 moving average, which was in yellow, and fifth indicator is 200 moving average, which was in pink. As I told in my pre-market report, I have a 3 trading setup yesterday. My first trading setup was market need to open above S1 and it need to close above S1. After that, S1 need to broke with smaller candle. If it's broke with smaller candle like this, I am going to buy a put option or going to sell a call option. It will not happen. Market opens above S1, but the first candle itself broke the S1, so I did not take any position at the first candle. As I told in the pre-market report, those who are going to short in the first candle or end up with loss. Those who shorted in the candle, they just keep the stop loss just above the candle. The third candle itself taken the entire stop loss of the retailer who shorted in the first candle. Okay, my third trading setup was market need to touch anywhere in the EMI moving average and need to come down. As I told, market touches 20 moving average and came down. I just sell a call option and my target was S1. Exactly, I keep my stop loss just above the previous day low. My 1:2 risk reward ratio was also awarded. This is how I took the trade yesterday. I am repeating, I just wait market to retrace towards anywhere in the moving average. When the market touches 20 moving average, which was in green, and came down, I just sell a call option and keep target as S1. I just close my position when market approaches S1. This is how I closed the trade yesterday. Let us move on to the pre-market report. Today the center pivot placed around 17,309, R1 17,392, S1 17,242, R2 17,459. Bottom CPR is 17,301 and top CPR is 17,317. Yesterday, all the US market closes in red. All the Europe market also closes in red. Today morning, all the Asian market opens in red. Some of the Asian market is in very flat condition. Nifty future indicating flat opening. It's trading near 17,324. Our previous day close was 17,324. It indicates the market going to open very flat. With the help of Asian and US market, we find that our market going to be negative today. I marked R1, S1, S2 in the chart. The green line is R1 and R2. The red line is S1 and S2. The white line is center pivot and top CPR and bottom CPR. If CPR width is very lean, definitely market would trend in any direction. Definitely it would be a trending day. It will not consolidate like this. So be aware, market going to be trend in any direction. It may in up direction or down direction, but it would be a trending day. If CPR width is very lean, definitely it would be a trending day. The reason, whenever market consolidate yesterday, the next day the CPR width is very lean. So be aware, today market going to be trend in any one of the direction. It may be in up or down. There are lot of chance to be trend in down direction. My first trading setup is according to the Nifty future. If market opens very flat and form a small candle like this, I am going to sell a call option at this candle close and keep top CPR as a stop loss. I am repeating, if market opens very flat according to Nifty future and form a small candle like this, I am going to sell a call option, nearby call option, that means 17,300 call option, and keep my stop loss just above the top CPR. This is my first trading setup. This was my second trading setup. Market need to gap up, and if face resistance at R1, I am going to sell a 17,400 call option. My target was center pivot. My third trading setup is market need to gap down. If it's form a big red candle, I am not going to take any position at this candle close. I am going to just wait. Whenever the market retraced and touches anywhere in the moving average, 8 or 20 moving average, I am going to sell a call option and keep stop loss above the moving average. I am repeating, market gap down and form a big red candle. Don't take any position at this candle close. Just wait market to retrace toward any moving average. If it touches 8 or 20 moving average, just sell a call option and keep the stop loss above the moving average. Today I am bearish, that's why my all trading setup was in the down direction. Be aware, market may turn in up direction also. Wait for the candle confirmation. Don't take any position without the candle confirmation. If market opens flat, don't wait. Just buy nearby put option or just sell nearby call option. Your stop loss would be top CPR and your target must be S1. Just exit market approach before S1. There are lot of chance to make a U-turn also. Whenever market opens flat, just buy nearby call option. Just buy nearby put option or sell nearby call option. Your target must be in S1. These are the trading setup I have today. I hope I will end up with profit. Thanks for watching.